Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm popping in with a pretty quick nail art tutorial today. These negative space swirls have been such a huge nail art trend the last several months, and today I'm going to be recreating one of my designs that I did a few months ago, but I just wanted to switch up the colors and also show you one of the new Mini Macaron nail art brushes. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. I'm starting off with Mini Macaron Creme Brûlée, which is one of my favorite sheer nudes. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this to my bare nails because Mini Macaron gels are formulated as a 3-in-1 gel polish, so it includes a base coat, color coat, and top coat all in one bottle. And then I'm going to cure that in my Milkshake LED lamp for 30 seconds after each coat. If you're new to Mini Macaron, I have a bunch of videos with swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials using their gel polishes, and I'll leave some links in the card on your screen and in the description box below. For this design, I'm using Mini Macaron's little liner brush, which is one of their 3 nail art brushes that were released pretty recently. It comes in this adorable packaging, and on the back it shows you how you can use this brush if you need a little bit of inspiration. And it comes in this adorable pink marble design, and my favorite part is that it comes with a cap. I love it when my nail art brushes have a cap because first of all, it protects the bristles of the brush, and second of all, especially when I'm using gel polishes, I'm not too worried if I don't completely clean off all the gel polish from the bristles because I'm not too worried about it curing onto the brush with the cap on. The liner brush is a pretty thin 7mm long brush, and it's perfect for painting lines, animal print, marble, and today I'm going to be using it to paint some swirls. So first I'm going to be using Mini Macaron's Fleur Bleue, which is a periwinkle blue shade, and I'm going to paint a curvy line down the center of my nail. And then I just thickened up that curvy line near my free edge and by my cuticle and left the center of the line pretty thin. And if you want to try out these nail art brushes for yourself or some Mini Macaron gels, don't forget you can get 10% off regular price items at minimacaron.com using my code caramellogram10. It's not an affiliate code or anything, you just get to save a little bit of money by using my code. Once I was finished with that first curve, I cured that for 30 seconds just so that it wouldn't move around, and then I painted 2 more swirls with blue vanilla. You may notice that I also painted the same design on my other hand, which I don't always do, but I was going on a little trip and I wanted my nails to match, and I found that the gel and these brushes made this design pretty easy to do. The gel was a lot more forgiving and I had a lot more time to work with it, so if you're wanting to try out some nail art, I would definitely recommend trying out these brushes and gel polishes. Once I was done with blue vanilla, I cured that in my Milkshake LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I finished off with the gel shine top coat to add an extra shine. Here's the finished negative space abstract swirly design. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. And if you want to try out these nail art brushes or Mini Macaron gel polishes, don't forget you can use my code caramellogram10 to get 10% off regular price items at minimacaron.com. And if you want to see my other Mini Macaron videos, including reviews of their gel manicure kits and the maxi kits, you can click the card on your screen or the link in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!